What if one simple drink could quietly transform what happens to your body every single night, even while you sleep? That is the power of ginger lemon water. Today, I'm going to show you the remarkable effects this powerful combination has on your health when you drink it daily. And I'm also going to show you exactly how to prepare it correctly to get 100% results. Now, here is what makes this so fascinating for seniors especially. The hours between sunset and sunrise are when your body does its most important repair work. Reducing inflammation, balancing blood sugar, strengthening immunity, resetting digestion. When you drink this during the day, and your body quietly uses those nutrients all night long to heal, restore, and rebuild. So let's get into it. Number 1. Your levels of inflammation start to drop, and your joints begin to heal. Ginger contains gingerol, a natural compound that does lots of amazing things in the body. It works by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body, suppresses pro-inflammatory signals, and stops inflammation before it spreads and settles deep into your joints, muscles, and surrounding tissue. And while that is happening during the day, something even more powerful takes place at night. While you sleep, your body shifts into its most active phase of tissue repair. Gingerol continues lowering inflammation, and at the same time, the vitamin C from lemon gets to work increasing collagen production. Collagen is the very protein your body needs to rebuild and strengthen cartilage, tendons, and joint tissue. Day by day, seniors who drink this consistently wake up moving more freely with less stiffness, less swelling, and less of that deep, aching pain that used to greet them every single morning. Your inflammation is going down. Your joints are coming back to life. Number 2, your constipation starts to clear. Ginger contains a powerful digestive enzyme called zingibane. It is an enzyme that helps digest proteins in the body. Lemon citric acid triggers bile production in the liver, the fluid your body needs to break down food properly and keep waste moving smoothly through your intestines. And because lemon water increases your overall fluid intake, it softens stool and lubricates the gut, making it far easier for your body to eliminate waste naturally. And here is what that means for you at night. While you sleep, your digestive system is quietly finishing the work it started during the day. With zingibane digesting and activating gut contractions, and lemon, on the other hand, stimulating bile flow, waste does not sit and stagnate overnight. It moves, it clears, it leaves your body the way it should. Seniors who drink this daily stop waking up feeling heavy, bloated, and backed up. Next is your heart gets stronger and your cardiovascular health improves. Lemon is rich in antioxidant polyphenols that protect the walls of your blood vessels from oxidative damage, reduce arterial stiffness, and keep blood flowing freely and efficiently through your cardiovascular system. Ginger is equally loaded with polyphenols of its own, compounds that actively lower LDL cholesterol, reduce triglycerides, and prevent the buildup of plaque inside your arteries. The same plaque that silently narrows blood vessels and puts your heart under enormous strain every single day. Now, here is where the magic happens while you sleep. Your heart rate slows down and your cardiovascular system shifts into recovery mode. With polyphenols from both lemon and ginger circulating through your bloodstream, your blood vessels relax, your blood pressure eases, and your heart no longer has to work overtime just to keep up. Number 4, your kidneys' health improves. While you sleep, this is exactly what is unfolding inside you. Your kidneys are in their most active filtration phase, cleaning your blood, balancing minerals, and flushing out waste. With citrate levels high and inflammation low, your kidneys do this job thoroughly, efficiently, and without strain. Lemon is one of the richest natural sources of citric acid. Citric acid gets converted to citrate in the body, and citrate does something remarkable. It binds with calcium in your urinary tract, breaking down existing kidney stones, and actively preventing new ones from forming in the first place. For seniors who have never had a kidney stone, this is daily armor. For those who have, it is one of the most natural and effective tools available to make sure it never happens again. Ginger works alongside it by reducing the chronic inflammation that silently puts stress on kidney tissue over time. Number 5, your blood sugar becomes stabilized. For many seniors, blood sugar is one of the most silent and dangerous challenges happening inside the body, especially at night. While you sleep, blood sugar levels can spike unexpectedly, stressing the heart, disrupting deep sleep, and leaving you waking up exhausted and drained. This is where drinking ginger lemon water daily begins to make a real difference. Ginger directly improves insulin sensitivity, meaning your body's cells become more responsive to insulin, absorbing glucose more efficiently and preventing it from building up dangerously in the bloodstream. Lemon also contains hesperidin, a natural flavonoid that lowers blood sugar levels. So, through the night, instead of your body fighting dangerous sugar surges, your blood sugar stays in a calm, stable range. And lastly, your sleep improves. Everything we have talked about so far, the inflammation dropping, the gut clearing, the heart recovering, the kidneys filtering, the blood sugar stabilizing, all of it leads to this one final and most important benefit: better sleep. Because here is the truth. Most seniors do not sleep poorly because of age alone. They sleep poorly because their body is overloaded, fighting inflammation, struggling with digestion, dealing with blood sugar spikes, and running on a nervous system that never fully switches off. But with ginger lemon water, everything changes. Your stress hormones drop and your nervous system stays calm. Now that you know what this powerful drink does for your body, let me show you exactly how to prepare it correctly to get the best results. Take a fresh 1-inch piece of ginger, peel it, and grate or slice it thinly. Add it into 1 cup of warm water, not boiling, as high heat destroys some of the nutrients. And then let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, you are going to squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey if you prefer it sweeter. Stir, wait 1 minute, and drink. Once daily, any time of day. But morning on an empty stomach gives you the fastest absorption and the best results. So here is your challenge. Try it every day for just 2 weeks and pay attention to how your body responds. You may be surprised at what you notice. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a senior you care about, and subscribe so you never miss our next video.